Is it time to buy or sell CoreWeave Class A common stock? In this video, we will explore CoreWeave Class A common stock in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the first day of May in the year 2025, our system has identified CoreWeave Class A common stock as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.8. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 270.89% since we initially listed CoreWeave Class A common stock as a buy candidate 44 days ago. This equates to an average return of 6.16% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the midst of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further rise within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 377% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 338% and 503%. Our latest daily update for CoreWeave Class A common stock includes the headline: CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock price increased by more than 8.31% on Thursday. The price of CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock rose by 8.31% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025, moving from $151.77 to $164.38. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.17%, with a low of $153.59 and a high of $166.14. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 3.31% over this period. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 2 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 10 million shares changed hands for approximately $1.69 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $186.94, while the lowest was $33.51. Currently, the price stands 12.07%, or $22.56, below the 52-week high of $186.94, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. CoreWeave, symbol CRWV, has made headlines today as it becomes the first cloud provider to deploy Nvidia's latest GB300 AI servers, marking a significant advancement in its AI infrastructure. This move showcases their ongoing close relationship with Nvidia, which holds a stake in CoreWeave. Such strategic partnerships typically generate increased investor confidence and can positively impact stock prices in both the short and long term. Additionally, CoreWeave has deployed Nvidia's next-generation Blackwell Ultra chips, enhancing its competitive edge in the AI cloud market. The proliferation of these cutting-edge technologies is expected to drive demand, potentially leading to robust revenue growth. Following a remarkable increase of 46.5% in June, the stock momentum indicates strong market sentiment. Furthermore, insights into their multi-year growth strategy suggest that CoreWeave is positioning itself for sustained expansion, despite recognizing ongoing losses and high capital expenditures. Their valuation currently appears attractive compared to AI sector peers, suggesting room for price appreciation ahead. With influential investors backing CoreWeave, including billionaire Philippe Laffont, the stock is viewed as a promising opportunity for growth amidst a bullish market trend. Overall, the recent developments position CRWV favorably, potentially enhancing its stock price prospects significantly in the coming months and years. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned CRWV a neutral grade along with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, Citigroup reported a market perform grade for CRWV, also with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, Citigroup again provided a neutral grade for CRWV, this time recommending a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, Goldman Sachs rated CRWV as neutral, suggesting a hold action. On the same day, Jefferies gave CRWV a buy grade with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned CoreWeave Class A common stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for CoreWeave Class A common stock. The CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, there will be support at $158.96 and $136.36. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been observed, potentially impacting the near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, June 20th, 2025, and so far, it is decreased by 10.46%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 43 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 36 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for CoreWeave. Class A common stock, CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock finds support from accumulated volume at $163.10. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $12.55 between its high and low, which represents an increase of 8.17%. In the past week, the stock recorded an average daily volatility of 6.46%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios might suggest inadequate profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of August, 2025. Analysts. Consensus estimates are projected to be negative $230,000. It is important to monitor these figures as they can have a significant influence on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CoreWeave's Class A common stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CoreWeave's Class A common stock is at $171.93. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could represent a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, CoreWeave's Class A common stock faces its first support level at $163.10. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as an advantageous entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for CoreWeave Class A common stock from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by McB Brannan, who bought and sold 300,623 shares or options in the company. Based on the 49 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 25.426. Overall, insiders purchased 2,814,345 shares and sold 1,423,132 shares in the last 49 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $154.78, which reflects a decrease of 5.84%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is CoreWeave Class A common stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, July 7th, we anticipate that CoreWeave Class A common stock will open lower by $3.01, starting at $161.37. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of monetary loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you concur or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from all of us at Stock Invest.